What's up guys, welcome to a new vlog. Ray here. I'm excited to bring to you the unboxing of my favorite perfume of all time, really guys. It's right here. I'm excited, but before we do that, I want to show you like what I've been using so far, and that is Acqua di Parma Ambra. This one has been serving me well. I don't know if you can see, it's still almost full. Amazing perfume, amazing cologne. So enough of that. I'm really excited to show you guys what's in here. Oh my days, I've never owned one of these before. I've had the small testers, but that's it. I've never owned any new there's so much versions of this perfume out there. There's fake ones also out there too, but I've never owned it because it's always expensive. It's expensive to get one of these niche perfumes, and I'm happy to be able to get one finally in my collection. I'm really excited. So guys, let's just get back down to it, and yeah, I got my scissors ready. Just gonna tear this. Let's see. How are we gonna open this? I have to be careful. Guys. All right. Yes, that's going well. Oh, it's really in there. So I'm sure just on the title of this video you already know which perfume it is, but opening it, I'm really excited guys. I'm really excited. Right, I got this open. I got a card in there. Thank you card. This is awesome guys. Woo! I can't even tell you guys the main ingredients for the perfume. So you got fruits, musks, and wood. Can you already guess what that is? The top notes are bergamot, apple, pineapple, hard notes, patchouli, jasmine, birch, berries, and the base notes, musk, oak moss, and vanilla. Wow. I didn't know that. I always smell the vanilla in there, but I didn't know that was in there. Oh my god. Really excited. Here we go guys, here we go. Woo! Still packaged well. Gonna put it right on one side. Let's see what else is in the box. Oh my god. I had one of these testers mailed to me. I had one of these and I love it, but this is the Mausime Imperial Creed type. It's just a small tester. A little bit of the info inside there, but we're not here for this, so I'm gonna put this on the side. Let's see what else is in here. Just some info. Alright, nothing else in the box. No. Alright, I'm gonna put this one on the side. This one on the side. This one on the side. Alright, let's get to this. Oh my god, oh my days. Here we go, guys. Woo! This is it. This is it. Let's open this. It's exciting, guys. Wow. I'm really excited, guys, just to be able to open this. Alright, let's get this paper out. There we go. Then 3 info down there. More info. So I got this 100 milliliter. Down there we go. Yes. All right. 100. Yeah, there we go. All right. Let's see what's inside. Once you open it, a little bit of info book about the family from the 1760s. More info. This essence and absolute of flowers, woods, spices and citrus fruits, selected, sorted out and chosen each year by our creator's perfume Oliver Creed, are natural as well as our infusion of ambergris, vanilla and other fragrances. This composition is a blend of prestigious blah blah blah. More info down there. A little bit of history, Creed, and this is the perfume. Oh my god! So it comes in a box, and you still, once you open it, you also have another box. So you have to be careful not to drop it. Another box, put it on the side, and this is, here we go, guys. This is the perfume. Oh my god. Wow. Alright. Let's do testing. This is amazing. A little bit of wow. This is amazing, guys. Long lasting. So as I said, ingredients of the perfume: some fruit, musky, and also wood in there. Top notes: bergamot, apple, pineapple. Heart notes: patchouli, jasmine, birch, and base notes: musk, oak moss, ambergris, and vanilla. And those were the ingredients. All right, guys. I got my favorite perfume of all time. Open it with you guys. This is amazing. I can't really, oh my days. If you got the right budget for it, please try it out, check it out. Or you can just get like one of these, just try it for a while and see what's up. They got one of that, the testers. All right guys, hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you on to the next one. Stay safe, stay at home please, and stay strong. Peace.